I need defensive to engage niyan.
Dismounted na sila.
Food.
Dismounted na.
Di mag-OC na tayo siguro. Sa mga gusto lang mag-OC. Sa mga mahalang gears, kahit huwag na.
May 8-3 blood leather sila.
We-engage yung contact ha. We-engage yung contact guys. I need fast engages ha. I need fast engages. Mag-engage yan sila from north. Iwas kayo dyan sa north. Mag-engage yan from north.
Pushing na sa'yo ah. Pamark mo na lang sa
Blind
Iskal.
spot yan eh. Meron tong ano.
Nasa north side.
Already ha.
Multiple clampers ah. 3 naka-heaven base. Ay, 1 on base.
We-engage yung contact ha. Ito. Itong dalawa na to. Ready.
May
5,
nagbubong
4,
sa
3,
outpost.
2, 1. No. Fast. Wala nang cleric ha. Wala nang cleric. Pabedrock please. Pabedrock.
I-open ito gate.
Pabedrock. Okay. Posture up na makakapasok kayo sa second phase guys please.
PS ready.
Posture. Nice. Isa pa tayo after 4 seconds. Sa akin ulit ha. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Looking.
Pa-DPS cooldown ha. DPS cooldown.
Dropping random fallen.
Pa-DPS cooldown.
Long cooldown DPS.
Ha?
Long cooldown yan. Long cooldown.
5 seconds.
Sabihin mo lang.
Bashibs, dahan-dahan binobonk yung southwest gate.
Kaya mo na yun. Scout tayo.
PS ready.
Ready. Pag bumalik yun ha. Magpi-fake lang muna ako ha. Fake lang ako. Alis ka dyan. Nerd. Hindi mo makakuha yan. Hindi mo Faking ako. Faking. Hindi na fake. Ready ah. Headbutt tayo guys sa headbutt. I need defensive ah. Headbutt tayo sa crown.
Oh.
Headbutt tayo sa crown. Gate. Headbutt sa crown. Kay Butcher ah. Ready ah. Engage tayo ah. Hold.
One.
Help niyo si Herbs ah.
Sige. Engage natin kay Hearts ah. Lalabas tayo ah. Makabalik ka Hearts.
Oh.
Ready. Engage tayo sa akin ah. Engage tayo sa west side guys. West side ah. West side ready. Ready ba 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now.
Got G8.
Engaging
Full engage yan Hearts ah.
Nagigate siya akin.
Huwag ka dyan.
Wala na silang engage ah.
Huwag ka dyan. Wala ka din kaming engage. Mamatay ka dyan.
Sige. Mid-defensive ako. Wala.
DPS ready.
Sabihin
DPS
mo.
ready.
Engage tayo sa akin sa crown ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hindi natin kaya to. Wala tayong didilit. Second floor tayo. Tignan natin. Patingin ng south.
30% gate.
South gate. Wala. Engage tayo ulit sa akin guys ha. One more engage sa akin. Ready. One more engage sa akin ha. West side. Ready ha. Ready. In 5, 4, 3. Never mind. Cancel. Cancel na dapat yun yung E. Hindi mo rin mag-cancel. Back konti after done ha. Baka mag-east ba? 28. It's okay. Huwag kang mag-decide. Sa akin ulit guys. Ilang percent? 27. Sa akin ulit guys ha. North side naman tayo. Ready ha. North side ready. Ready ha. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin now. Fast engages please. Patay ita. Hindi naman tayo na rin. Ready to go in ha. Ang lalim naman doon. Fuck you.
22.
Sige lang. Ready to go in.
Hammers mo.
DPS ready.
Oh. Engage sa akin na ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Itong isa. Super late. Mabagal kayo mag-boots. Ready to go in ha. Ready to go in. Push her up. Ready to go in.
They're just
Ayan nga.
holding
Ready
on
to
to
go in. Already. Hold lang tayo.
Fake yan,
Sana may
fake.
dumating na-
Fake.
Ayan. Dito lang ako ihigop guys. Dito lang ako ihigop.
Mag-iisay
Yes,
test.
mag-east side. Come out. Kunin ko tong iba. Come out. Ito lang ito. Never mind.
Yung malaki si SK sa'yo.
Never mind. Dito na lang tayo ah. Dito sa north ha. North tayo guys ah. Come north ah. Ito north to. Ready ah. North sa akin ah.
Baka mag-engage siya, careful.
Ready ah. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. North. Defensive. Masyado malakas defensive na yun na masyado yung reach na ito.
9.
5
Fake
seconds
ako, ah.
DPS.
2 seconds. Okay, fake ako.
DPS ready.
Okay, fake lang to ah. Fake lang ah. Hindi na fake. Daddy, hindi ka... Engage sa'yo. Headbutt. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa akin now. Nice. Dead isa, please. Ito, boy. Zilo, dad.
Engaging.
Engage sila. Cool down.
1 guard hard.
9 seconds DPS.
Yeah, boy ako.
Si Rubix, ba't kayo dyan? What? Ba't kayo dyan?
DPS ready. DPS
Hindi
ready.
naman kailangan lumabas eh. Bakit nag-go?
Another block southwest ah. Checking ako.
Okay. Pa-check ng block. Ready tayo pumasok guys ha. Pa-check ng block. Engage sa akin ha. East side ha. Ready ha. Never mind.
No GA.
Ready for headbutt ha. Fake yan.
Level 18 pa rin sila.
Sino yun sa south?
TGIF.
Okay, tignan natin.
Level
Kunin natin to sa east side guys ha. Ready? East side sa akin ha. Ready in 5? Never mind. May boots.
Checking west.
Patok na southwest gate ah.
Sige lang. Ready to go in.
Putting up. Looking toes eh. Nasa west side mo na
Ready to go in.
Northwest.
Alay pa Shibu.
Ready to go in. Engage siya sa akin guys. Sa akin ha. Sa northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Never mind.
Yo, TGIF.
Ready to go in ha. Ready to go in. Go in na.
Engaging. Let's engage.
Sabihin mo Pudge. Patay si
5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5
Andyan,
seconds.
man.
DPS ready.
Hindi ko kayo maintindihan bakit nagsisuicide kayo. Ready ha? Sa akin guys ha. Fake. 2v1 to? Ano to?
B1 yan.
Hindi siya nakikita eh.
South. Fast. Mount up.